guy so long? Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Eat it, sucker! Eat my something!
Him knock Fonzarelli out of 5th place. And he's off. 3 miles per hour. He's in the gate 2. Clean through the horizontal. Man, what? He is practically mowing the lawn. Full second behind Fonzarelli. Yo, that's a lot of time to make up. But this guy's aggressive. Now he's making that hard 270-degree high G-turn. Setting himself up. Left vertical turn. Lining up for the 3-pound chicane. He's gaining speed. Now he's only half a second behind Fonzarelli. Now he's back on that stick. Up he goes. Up and away. Now only 2/10 of a second. Oh, it's gonna be close. It's good. Oh yes, what a finish. Now that's what you call flying.
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-T.
Great timing, Mater!
Man, I wonder who that guy's with. Will you guys excuse me just for one little second?
Listen, this isn't Radiator Springs.
You're just realizing that? Oh, that jet lag really done a number on you.
Mater, look, things are different over here, which means maybe you should, act a little different too.
Different than what?
Well, just help me out here, buddy.
You need help? Shoot. Why didn't you just say so? That's what a tow truck does.
Yeah, I mean, look.
Hey, look.
Ferrari! Punch me, Guido. Punch me in the face. This is the most glorious day of my life.
Wow. Spero che il tuo amico si riprenda. Mi dicono che siete fantastici.
French rally car Raoul Sarul is counting on a big boost headed through there.
And don't... All spectators, clear the starting line.
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This is gonna be wicked. Yeah, we should do this.
McQueen! Buonasera!
Nice to meet you, Francesco.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. You are very good looking. Not as good as I thought, but you're good.
Excuse me, can I get a picture with you?
Anything for a McQueen's friend.
Miss Sally is gonna flip when she sees this. She's Lightning McQueen's girlfriend. Ooh. She's a big fan of yours.
Hey, she has a good taste.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? Great race today.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. McQueen. You have no idea what a pleasure it is for me to finally beat you.
Bring out the piston cup. Ka-chicka, ka-chicka. Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where are the girls? Bring on the confetti. Ow! Ow! Easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign my deal with Dinoco. Ka-chicka, say it with me. Ka-chicka, ka-chicka. What's wrong with everybody? Ow! Where's the happiness? Hey, this is the start of the chick era.
Nobody has seen the racing legend in over 50 years.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
What's wrong with Red?
Oh, he's just sad 'cause you left town and went to your big race to win the Piston Cup that you've always dreamed about your whole life and get that big old sponsor and that fancy helicopter you was talking about. Oh, wait a minute! I knowed you wouldn't leave without saying goodbye.
Thanks for being my pit crew today.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Not really.
Hicks on Route 66.
Wow, this organic fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies, man.
Okay, I'll take a case.
You're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural, sustainable, organic biofuel just because I never trusted Axelrod. You're dead wrong, man. It was him.
Once big oil, always big oil. Man.
You have to say